Well, trade setup for the day. We've got US markets largely in the green. Nvidia's earnings kept a lid with regard to where Nasdaq went, down around a tenth of a percent or thereabouts. And Nvidia does have an impact on the Nasdaq, right? So, softer number from Nvidia not really helping. But US markets have since slipped slightly into the red where the futures are concerned. So, you're seeing Dow futures down around a tenth of a percent thereabouts. S&P futures around a third of a percent down, and Nasdaq futures down around half a percent or so. You're seeing Asia largely also lower. You're seeing the ASX 200 down around a fifth of a percent. The Nikkei is down 4/5 of a percent, 0.8 odd percent. The Hang Seng and Shanghai also trading with a negative bias as we start off, and the GIFT Nifty also indicating a slight negative bias where Indian markets are concerned. Now, of course, the Nifty has ended the losing streak that it was on, 7 consecutive days in the red. That has reversed, and we've now closed in the green on Tuesday. But geopolitical tensions are obviously keeping a lid on how the Nifty as well as global markets are essentially going to move. So the geopolitical tensions will come to the forefront and will impact markets today as well. You're seeing on the domestic front, one, impact of state elections likely to reflect on markets, maybe a wee bit, but nonetheless, and an increased margin amount on same day expiries. The higher contract sizes will likely impact margins and therefore also impact markets. So those are two things which will also continue to impact markets. Stocks on our radar today. First off, UPL. You have a divestment plus a rights issue. Divestment is going to be of its subsidiary Advanta, and they're going to divest around 12.5% stake there, and the rights issue would likely have a positive reaction given the fact that you will have some amount of debt repayment, which is clearly a positive. You have PSP projects, which made a stellar move on Tuesday on the back of Adani Infra acquiring 30% stake or promoter stake, acquiring promoter stake in PSP projects. That move already transpired on Tuesday, and of course will be interesting to see how it transpires today as well, because Adani Infra will also have to make an open offer. Open offer is below the market price, and therefore will be interesting to see how that plays out. JSW Steel declared preferred bidder for the Kodli mineral block in Goa, so that one as well in focus. You have projected iron ore resources of 48.5 million tons coming from Kodli. Aegis Logistics, arm of Aegis Logistics, has filed a DRHP with the SEBI for IPO, 3,500 crore IPO, so it's a large one and likely to impact Aegis as well. Praveg, well, they've partnered with for a master franchisee agreement for the Ran Utsav. The deal gives exclusive marketing and booking of 400 luxury tents to Praveg. Surely a positive for Praveg. GNFC signing an MOU with Ineos Excetels. Now that is to explore world scale 600 kiloton acetic acid plant. Mind you, Ineos is a leader in this regard with regard to acetic acid, and therefore clear positive for GNFC as well. That's broadly how we're shaping up for trade today. Slight negative bias on the GIFT Nifty as we see it. Will be interesting to see how it opens. You'll also have plenty of other stocks in focus, but these are the key ones.